Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do something a little bit different. I am going to do a video about ThredUp. ThredUp is an online thrift store where you can buy clothes and sell your clothes. And because I love thrift shopping, I actually got this at a thrift shop and can't really do that safely during a pandemic. I wanted to buy some things from ThredUp and see what it was like. This is not a sponsored video. I don't really have that many subscribers, so how could this be sponsored? However, would love a sponsorship one day, maybe. Yeah, so I bought some things from ThredUp, and another thing about just my wardrobe is that I'm slowly trying to build a capsule wardrobe. So I'm actually going to be swapping out and showing you some things that I'm swapping out for the things that I buy. So every time I buy something, I try to get rid of a couple pieces of clothing, more than one, just to offset making purchases. And so I have a lot of things that I'm going to try to also send to ThredUp and see how much money I can make off of that. It's also a way to make money. So yeah, let's get into it. So I have my packages here from ThredUp. I actually got all of the packages. They arrived separately a few days apart, and I got them a few weeks ago, but I wanted to wait until I got all of them before I opened them, and so I could show you a live reaction. And then later in the video, I'm also going to try to style them and make sure that they are things that I can wear and incorporate in my wardrobe. Okay, so literally opening these for the first time. So it comes like this. That's pretty cute. Okay, so this first one is this black t-shirt, and it has this is like pretty a high collar, and there's white and black detailing. I think this is really cute. I dress a little bit more eccentric, I would say. But this is a little bit more trendy. It's a little bit into like that 90s style that's really popular now. And I've recently been trying to like dress better, even though I'm not really doing anything except being at home and maybe going out to the grocery store. But I'm trying to put an effort into my style because I think it's fun. Yeah, so this is really cute. It's from Express, and I guess I'll put the prices up later when I edit the video. But I did use the Sorry Girls discount code. I watched their latest video when they recreated Pinterest outfits on ThredUp, and I used their discount code, so it was 30% off. So there's so many discount codes out there from different YouTubers, so if you want to try ThredUp, like, you can get a really good deal using a discount code. It's really soft. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about this. Next, in this package is also it's just a cami. It's a cream colored cami, and what is the brand? The brand is Jockey, so it's a little bit more like athletic wear, and I really wanted, it's this material. What is this material? Nylon spandex. I wanted something that's kind of like smooth, that won't show under other clothes, and I don't know, maybe I can just actually wear this as like actual clothes. I don't know, maybe we'll see. I got another cami from ThredUp. I am swapping this one and another black one in for these camis. These are from Forever 21. They're really old at this point, and they're like, the ones from Forever 21, I think they're like $2 or $3. I don't really like how they feel on my body, especially this black one. Like, I wish I could wear it more, but it just feels so constricting and hot, and so something a little bit more breathable was what I was looking for. So I'm trading in this for all of these. Okay, another package. This is a sports bra, and I was looking for new athletic wear. So this is also Jockey. It's a medium. It looks a little big, but I think it'll fit me. It looks like it has some nice support. And I am switching these out with these. These are 2 sports bras, which are still in really good condition. They're just so tight on me now. I think I actually bought them a little bit small. They're the same design, just in 2 different colors. And I actually saw these in the ThredUp store in a different size. Yeah, I usually buy my athletic wear from TJ Maxx, where it's a little bit more discounted. And honestly, looking at things full price is like, why would you pay that much for something you wear when you exercise? So I'm swapping these with this. So these are my really fun, like nice ones. Okay, so here is the first. It's black and white striped. Sounds like a mock neck t-shirt. It's size small. It's from the brand Harold's, which I've never heard before. This material is very thick. It's a knitted material. It's very stretchy. It smells like a thrift store. They have those smells, don't they? This looked like it might be vintage, honestly, from the tag and how old it looks. And I love black and white stripes. I have so many black and white striped tops, but I don't have any t-shirts, which is why I got this one. I guess it makes sense to show you what I'm swapping this out with. Not really swapping them out for anything specific, but here are some things that maybe kind of fit the same category as this top. So I have this black and white 3/4 length top from H&M. I got this, I think I bought this in H&M in Hong Kong when I studied abroad. And it's really faded and it just needs to go. So there's that. And then my cat wants to come in here. There is also this blouse. This is from Loft. I actually got this at a Goodwill outlet last year, I think. It's an outlet or a Goodwill distribution center. So that is where all the donations for Goodwill goes before they sort them and then send them off to different stores. It's kind of a central regional location. Before they go to the other stores, you can actually go to the Goodwill distribution center and sort through all of the buckets and purchase clothes and other things that you would find, like books, housewares, from Goodwill by the pound. So also, like, they're not really clean places, and so like you can't really try on things. So I bought this without trying it on. It's just a little bit big for me and it doesn't really fit my style, and also this part just always folds inward. I don't know if there's anything to fix that, but I'm too lazy to figure that out. So I haven't really worn this, but I'm gonna try to sell it. It's in really good condition. Also, when I went to the Goodwill distribution center, there were clearly people there who were just like trying to find really good items to resell at higher prices. That's definitely something that people do at Goodwill distribution centers. So I'm swapping out these two for that black and white t-shirt. Okay, here's another purchase from ThredUp. Tag fell out. It is this off the shoulder crop top with some lace detail. It looks like it has underneath this sort of bandeau so that it stays, there's some coverage. It's from Express and the size is small. And this is probably one of the most trendy items that I've ever purchased. I don't really buy into trends. I just try to stick with my own personal style. However, I was really looking for a top to wear with specific pants, and so I thought that a top like this would work really well, and I'm really excited, honestly. And here we have the last package. Okay, there's a couple things in here, and so here is a black cami. So it looks like this. It's pretty basic. It's a pretty thick fabric, but it's pretty stretchy. It feels like a much more high quality fabric than the Forever 21 camis, and the brand is Kisses. I've never heard of that brand. It's size medium. It's cotton and spandex. also has this like bra inside thing. I remember like so many places would make tank tops like that, like back in the early 2000s when I was in middle school. Yeah, it was so weird. It was kind of uncomfortable. But there's this, just a basic cami to replace the ones that I showed you previously. And lastly, we have this cami. Okay, this is much more sheer than I thought. I thought it was gonna be more opaque. Yeah, I don't know how to react. I don't know. I want to see if I can style it. I am not opposed to wearing things that are see-through. And I think I could always layer. So this might be something like that I could work with. Okay, just wanted to show you a couple other things that I'm planning on getting rid of and trying to sell to ThredUp. First off, pants. So these are just some pajama bottoms. They're not that old. I actually wear them a lot, but they're too big on me, so they're just really loose, and I just want to invest in things that fit me properly, so I am getting rid of these. Here are some other like yoga shorts that I got when I was in college, when I used to bike on campus and I would wear under dresses. These are too small for me now, and I have actually 2 pairs. So I'm getting rid of them. And you can see there was a time when I bought a lot of things from Forever 21, and I'm trying not to buy fast fashion anymore. Here are some athletic shorts. The elastics worn out. They're still like pretty good, but the elastics worn out and they don't fit me anymore. I don't know if ThredUp will actually give me money for this. However, anything that they don't buy, they will also donate. So this is just easier for me to just pack everything up into one box instead of trying to ship them out to different places. Here are some yoga pants that are knee length. I have another pair of gray yoga pants that are knee length, and so I just wanted to get rid of this one since I like the other one better. And they're there's a little bit of pilling, but they still function as gym shorts, so, or yoga pants, so definitely still usable. Next we have these linen pants. These are actually not that old. Oh, and I actually haven't worn them too much, but they are too big on me, and I don't really like the way the pockets kind of lay. They don't lay flat. I think it's just because I should probably like iron this or something, but I don't do that. Don't buy clothes that you're not able to take care of, I guess. And they just they don't fit me. They don't, yeah. And they kind of are a different look than I usually want to go for. So getting rid of these. And lastly, for pants, these are some olive green pants. They're kind of a skinny leg cut. These are Celebrity Gold brand. I think they're from Macy's. It's like a Macy's brand. And these are just, I mean, they're still good pants. I used to wear them a lot in college, but I graduated college 5 years ago. So I'm just trying to update my style, and I just don't feel very good and confident wearing these anymore. So I am on the lookout for different olive pants that are in a cut that I like better and that are a little bit more professional. So I hope I can find a pair like that one day on ThredUp. Next, for some sweaters, I do have this sweatshirt from Forever 21. It's a zip-up hoodie. I used to really like to wear this underneath a faux leather bomber jacket that I still have, but recently the inside is just like, it's not soft, so I just don't really like to wear it anymore. It's still in good shape, so I think someone can get a use out of this if they don't mind the scratchiness. Here I have a couple cardigans. I have so many cardigans actually. And cardigans are something that I feel like I can still wear. However, the style and the colors are just not me anymore. This one's navy blue. It's a little bit faded, which is why I'm getting rid of it. We have a white one here. This one, there's a little bit of pilling. There's some discoloration, so I'm not sure if they'll take this, but it's also a 3/4 length sleeve, which is why I don't really wear it anymore. I think I'm more drawn to like longer silhouettes. So getting rid of this one. And this one, I don't actually wear that much. It's still in pretty new shape. There's like only one shirt that I really wear this with that I feel like it goes with. So I'm getting rid of it because I don't wear it that often. And I also have this black 3/4 sleeve sweater with these button details. I actually really love the sweater. It's just that it's kind of faded and I am looking for a swap that is in better shape that I can replace this with. And lastly, we have some dresses. So I'll go over these first. We have some little black dresses. So this first one is one that I've had for a very long time. It's from Loft. It's a 0P, which isn't my size anymore. I'm more of like size 4. But I got this when I was in high school and I had to wear a black dress for concert band performances. So it's been with me a long time, but it's not really anything I use anymore. Not really my style. And I hope someone can use it. It's really nice. I have another black dress, which I felt like was a little bit more my style that I bought to kind of replace it with, and I never got rid of the other one. This one is Ann Taylor, size 2. I got this one at a thrift store. I think it's vintage, but this one is too small for me. The arms cut off my circulation, so I am going to get rid of this one. And we have 2 more dresses here. I have this purple dress. That's kind of, what is this? I would say like a tie-dye spray paint. Is this clouds? Are they clouds actually? I don't know what to call this pattern. There is a cutout hole in the back. I got this as a hand-me-down from my cousin. And I did wear it once, I think, or twice. I wore it twice. It's just not my style. It's a little bit too busy for me in terms of patterns. And yeah, I think that someone may like this. And lastly, I have this maxi dress. I really like this dress, however, and I think it's new. I still see a tag here. I actually got this at a clothing swap that one of my friends held, and I took this home knowing that it was too long, but I think that I'm not a maxi dress kind of person. I'm too short to wear maxi dresses, so it's pretty new, probably never been worn or worn only a couple of times. And I think this is a great one for summer. I know summer is kind of ending, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, now I'm going to try to style some of the new things that I've bought and show you an outfit or two.